So you gotta just crack it just a hair. Just like that, just to let the pressure out.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready to start filling?
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
You're done?
Yep. Go, go, go.